Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate cake. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Valentine's Day here in Japan is almost equivalent to Chocolate Day. There is a custom created by a chocolate company a few decades ago to give chocolate to someone who you love. There is nothing Japanese in the recipe, so it should be easy for you to get all the ingredients. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 3 eggs, 60 grams of sugar, 100 grams of dark chocolate, 45 grams of butter, 100 milliliters of heavy cream, 20 grams of all-purpose flour, and 30 grams of cacao powder. This is the mold I'm using today. It's 15 centimeter silicone mold, lined with parchment paper. If you're worried cake sticking to the mold, you can put some parchment paper on the side too. Let's beat the eggs and sugar in a large bowl here. Three eggs and sugar. Just beat it until it's airy and foamy. Nice and foamy, and you can almost draw a line like this. Butter, chocolate, and heavy cream in another bowl. And microwave this 1 minute at 600 watts. It's warm but not hot. Let's melt chocolate and butter. Into the bowl of foamy egg. Mix it well. Let's shift flour and cacao powder. Fold it into mix. All well mixed. So let's put it in the mold. Drop it a few times to push out the air inside. Then into the preheated oven, 40 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. Baked for 40 minutes and it's smelling so good. Let's cool it down for half an hour. I left it for half an hour and it's still warm, but it's not hot. Wrap it tight with plastic film and leave at least overnight. Here is the cake I baked yesterday. Remove the plastic film gently take out from the mold. Let's cut it into 8 pieces. Let's mix some powdered sugar if you like. And the chocolate cake is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can see how thick and dense it is. いただきます。It's so rich and chocolatey, almost fudgy. Some vanilla ice cream or whipping cream on top would be nice too. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.